jail. I was handcuffed lightning, throw thunder in jail. I was handcuffed lightning, throw handcuffed lightning, throw thunder in jail. Throw thunder in jail.
Now when the last time you heard a hit like this, where the words ain't slurred and the verse sounds crisp? I mean, rappers nowadays say the same old shit, sounding like some swagger jackers. I'ma slap them with this. Why every rapper that you know, they got guns and sell dope, and if you're selling it, well nigga, what you telling me for? You know I really give a damn if you're selling it or not, but I'ma go off if your CD ain't hot. Now if that is the case, stop talking a lot. It sounds like you don't know what you're talking about. The worst thing that I hate is when the beat sounds cool, but the nigga rapping on it sounds like a damn fool. I'm 20, I set my own damn tree. One thing that I can promise, I won't sound like them. Man, I got a lot of haters hoping that I fail, but even they say my shit ain't the run of the mill. Now you wanna know the reasons why these rappers don't sell? And they talk fresh, but they sound so stale. Man, they talk a big game, but they sound so free.
I was handcuffed lightning, throw thunder in jail. I was handcuffed lightning, throw thunder in jail. I was handcuffed lightning, throw thunder, thunder. I was handcuffed lightning, throw handcuffed lightning, throw thunder in jail.
So I say fuck all these rappers, throw they shit up in the rubbish. My name is Andrew Jackson, don't believe it, ask my mother. And if you talk to Jeanette, tell her that I love her. She coulda named me Thomas, but my mama named me Money. So run up all your ducats and give me all your pesos. Hotter than tamales, I'm the pepper in the queso. I'm from the shy nigga, so call me Dick Buckets. Can see the ass flow, I want my dick and my butt kiss. Rapper sounding really bland like a brand muffin, looking like some gay dancers doing Brazilian butt lifts. But Action Jackson ain't the one to fuck.
I was handcuffed lightning, throw thunder in jail. I was handcuffed lightning, throw thunder, thunder. I was handcuffed lightning, handcuffed lightning, throw thunder in jail. Throw thunder in jail.
Now ain't you tired of the same old same? And the same rappers with the same old name. Unstoppable came, now the shit gon' change.
I was handcuffed lightning, throw thunder in jail.
I was handcuffed lightning, throw thunder in jail. I was handcuffed lightning, throw thunder, thunder. I was handcuffed lightning, handcuffed lightning,
throw thunder in jail.
Now you know why these rappers don't sell. They talk fresh, but they sound so stale. They talk a big game, but they sound so free.
I was handcuffed lightning, throw thunder in jail.
I was handcuffed lightning, throw thunder in jail. I was handcuffed lightning, throw thunder, thunder.